Good morning, family! Today is a special day for our mountain picnic adventure.
Mommy, can I help pack the yummy sandwiches for our trip?
Of course, sweetie. Let's pack them together.
Dad, did you bring the map? I want to find the highest peak.
You bet. Right here in my pocket. Everyone ready? The hilltop view is going to be amazing today.
Look at the pretty flowers. Can we stop and smell them, please?
The path gets harder now, but we can do this together as a team.
Hold my hand, Anna. Strong families help each other climb every mountain.
This stick makes me feel like a real mountain explorer. Thank you, Dad.
Wow, look at the beautiful blue bird. Is it singing a song for us?
Everyone stay close on this steep part. We help each other, always.
We need to work together as a family to find another way up this mountain.
Look at these strong tree roots. Maybe we can climb carefully using them?
These roots are really strong. I think this climbing method is gonna work. Always test one hand before moving the other. Safety is number one.
You are so brave, Anna. Take your time and climb one step at a time.
We're doing it together. Every family member is helping us reach the top.
I can see the top. There's grass up there. We're almost mountain climbers now. Look at this incredible view. All our hard work brought us to this beautiful moment.
See that silver line? That's the river. And those green areas are forests.
The world is so beautiful from up here. I can see clouds touching the mountains.
Let's put the blanket right here. This is the perfect place for our mountain picnic.
These sandwiches taste extra yummy after climbing the big mountain. Delicious! Every bite tastes better with this amazing view and wonderful family company.
Say mountain! We're the best mountain climbing family in the whole world.
This flower from the mountain path is the most special flower in the whole world.
As the great mountain explorer, I declare this peak officially conquered by our family.
That cloud looks like a fluffy bunny. What shape do you see, Jack?
That one looks like a dragon, and that one looks like a happy ice cream cone. Can you see the valley down there? A valley is the lowland between mountains.
This moment is so perfect and peaceful. I love our family adventures so much.
We need to start heading down soon. The sun will set behind the mountains soon.
Everyone helps carry something down. Teamwork makes the journey home easy.
Goodbye, beautiful mountain. I will always remember climbing to your top.
Going down is faster, but we still need to be careful on these rocky paths.
The mountain climb made my legs so strong. I can skip all the way home now. Look, it's our bird friend. Maybe it lives on this mountain and knows all the paths.
Whoops, sliding on leaves is like a mountain slide. That was fun but slippery.
Good job drinking your water. Keeping hydrated helps your body work its best.
Here's our car waiting for us. We had such an amazing mountain adventure today.
I can carry the heavy basket. My muscles are so strong from mountain climbing today. See, I told you.
Goodbye, beautiful mountain. Thank you for letting our family climb to your top.
What was your favorite part of our mountain adventure, Jack?
When I saw the river, it was so cool.
That was a great moment.
I also loved finding the climbing path. Anna, what was your favorite part on the mountain?
The wildflowers, they were so pretty. And I loved seeing the beautiful view at the top and eating sandwiches with my family.
We made it home safely. What an incredible day we had climbing our mountain together.
Look how tall this slide is. It's like a giant red snake.
It looks really high. I'm not sure about this.
Jack, it's okay to feel a little scared. But sometimes the biggest adventures start with just one step.
Come on, Jack. I'll go first and show you it's fun. The slide is really safe, I promise.
Okay, I think I want to try. Will you both watch me?
Come on, Jack. You're doing great. Keep going. We're almost at the top.
Take my hand, Jack. We're here. You made it to the top.
It's kind of high from here, but I want to try. I can do this.
I'll go first, okay? Watch me, Jack. It's going to be so fun.
Yay! That was amazing. Your turn, Jack. You can do it. Come on down.
It looks so scary from here, but Anna did it. I can be brave too. I want to try. Wee! I'm doing it. I'm sliding. This is amazing. This is so cool. Wow, it's like flying. I wasn't scared at all. Here I come. Look at me, Mom. Look at me, Anna. I did it. I did it. I wasn't scared at all. That was amazing.
I knew you could do it. You were so brave.
I'm so proud of you, Jack. You were so brave. I knew you could do it all along.
Way to go, buddy. You're a real champion. That took so much courage. I'm so proud of you. Can we come back tomorrow? I want to slide again. It was so fun. I wasn't even scared.
Come on, Jack. Let's go on the swings next. You can push me. I promise it's fun.
Higher. Do you want to go higher, Anna? Hold on tight. Here comes a big push. Today was the best day ever. I conquered the big slide. I'm not scared of anything now. If I can do that, I can do anything. I'm not afraid anymore.